Have you ever wanted to travel to France and explore the romantic scenery of Paris? I'm here to show you how you can experience all that France has to offer in just one trip. Explore the cities of Paris, Lyon, and Marseille to get a taste of France's rich history. Are you ready for a tour of France's most iconic cities? Paris, Lyon, and Marseille are an excellent place to start. Each has a unique atmosphere that reflects the country's rich history, culture, and art. Considered the City of Lights, Paris is an enchanting place with iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral that will leave you awestruck. Lyon, on the other hand, has a more traditional French vibe with its UNESCO-listed Old Town, famous silk weavers, and delicious cuisine. Last but certainly not least, Marseille has gorgeous beaches, vibrant nightlife, and a fascinating past pointing to its evolution from a Greek settlement to its current multicultural ambience. No matter which of these cities you choose to visit, you're sure to have a taste of what makes France such a magical place. Tour the châteaux of the Loire Valley and discover some of the iconic castles built during medieval times. Have you ever dreamed of stepping back in time and exploring grand castles that were once the homes of medieval kings? Look no further than the Loire Valley, where you can tour some of the most iconic châteaux in all of France. Wander through the majestic halls of Château-Chambord with its distinctive double hillock staircase, or marvel at the stunning gardens of the Renaissance-style Château de Villandry. As you explore these grand structures, you'll be transported back in time and gain insight into what life was like during the medieval era. So why wait? Take a trip to the Loire Valley and discover the incredible history and beauty that these châteaux have to offer. Sample classic French cuisine like crepes, croissants, and souffles in one of the many bistros across the country. Do you live for the taste of buttery, flaky pastries? Do you find yourself drooling at the thought of a perfectly executed souffle? Well, look no further than the many charming bistros scattered throughout France. Indulge in classic French cuisine with a piping hot cup of café au lait and enjoy the ambience of the streets outside. From savory crepes filled with melted cheese and ham to sweet crepes smothered in Nutella and bananas, there's no shortage of delicious treats to try. Don't forget to save room for dessert. A fluffy souffle bursting with flavor is a must-try while in France. Bon appetit! Visit charming coastal towns on the Côte d'Azur for sun-filled days at the beach. If you're looking for the perfect summer getaway, look no further than the charming coastal towns on the Côte d'Azur. With their sunny beaches and crystal-clear waters, these towns provide the perfect backdrop for a relaxing and refreshing vacation. Whether you're in the mood for a leisurely stroll along the coast or an action-packed day of water sports, there is sure to be something for everyone. And when the sun goes down, the party really begins. With a wide variety of restaurants, cafes, and bars, you're sure to find the perfect spot to unwind and let loose. So why wait? Plan your trip to the Côte d'Azur today and discover for yourself the magic of these charming coastal towns. Take part in traditional activities like wine tasting or cooking lessons. When traveling to France, there's no better way to soak up the culture than by taking part in traditional activities like wine tasting or cooking lessons. Whether you're a seasoned wine connoisseur or just enjoy a glass with your dinner, the vineyards of France offer a range of experiences for all levels of expertise. And let's not forget about the delicious cuisine. Learning to cook French classics like coq au vin or bouillabaisse can be a fun and enriching experience that will leave you with a new set of culinary skills to impress friends and family back home. So why not indulge in some of the oldest traditions of France and treat yourself to some wine and cooking lessons, your taste buds, and Instagram feed? Well, thank you. Go shopping from high-end Paris boutiques to small craft markets for unique souvenirs. There's something about searching for the perfect souvenir that can be both exciting and daunting at the same time. But if you're lucky enough to find yourself in Paris, you've hit the jackpot for unique and beautiful finds. From the high-end boutiques gracing the most fashionable streets to the corner markets bursting with handmade crafts, there's a shopper's paradise for everyone here. Explore the elegant fashion houses of Rue Saint-Honoré, or stroll through the Marais, where trendy boutiques and artisan shops line the streets. And don't forget to check out the city's main markets, where you can find everything from antiques to gourmet food. Shopping in Paris is truly an experience in itself, and with a little bit of luck, you just might find the perfect souvenir to take home with you. Learn about French culture by attending a museum or cultural event. If you're looking to immerse yourself in French culture, there's no better way to do so than by attending a museum or cultural event. Whether you're a lover of art, history, or even cuisine, Paris has no shortage of options to choose from. From the iconic Louvre home to timeless masterpieces like the Mona Lisa, to the Musée d'Orsay, which boasts one of the largest collections of Impressionist paintings in the world, the city offers an endless array of cultural experiences waiting to be discovered. And if you're looking to indulge in some traditional French cuisine, make sure to check out one of the many food festivals held throughout the year, like the Fête de la Gastronomie, for a taste of authentic French flavors. So pack your bags and get ready to dive headfirst into the vibrant and captivating world of French culture. So now you are all ready for your first trip to France. Don't worry if you feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of options or feel that you have not explored every corner of this beautiful country. Go forth and explore whatever destination that calls to you, enjoy the food, and embrace all of the culture that it has to offer. So don't forget to take photos, snap selfies, and marvel at all of the beauty surrounding you.